gentleman, at first I met his dad, and he came around and kind of found out what the trucks were like, and then he found a truck, and then he put on this great performance at Hudson Speedway. This young guy came in, and he ended up third in a field that was really a pretty strong field at Hudson, and that's a tough place to race, and it was a long race. This young guy just did a great job. So Lucas Leone, 2018 Rookie of the Year.
All right. Yeah. Woo! Good job, buddy. Woo! Yes. Next generation.
That comes with a little bit of money to spend on the weekend, right?
Nice. Nice.
That's yours, right?
Oh, no.
All right, and so take it down again. And I just want some of you to know I moved and I had to get rid of trophies, so I was kind of off trophies this year. And you know, this seems like something that you guys might keep around your shops for a little while. So congratulations on a great job, because I really love having you race for us.
Yes.
That was great at garage.